turn to eat. There's the slider. Look at that. Oh, good morning, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Welcome back to Dad Simply Cooking. It's the weekend. Time to make that meal, that breakfast, that good old fancy breakfast. So this is a breakfast that I started making a while back, and I have not made it in a very long time. And the other day, I seen some King's Hawaiian rolls. And I said, you know what? I'm going to make some hobo sliders. Because it's been a long time since I've had a hobo slider. There is a store, or a little restaurant, that makes hobo hash. And all hobo hash is just incorporating your everything from what you got. So I checked my freezer or my fridge. I got some bacon. I got some sausage. Got a few tater tots left, which are in the air fryer right now. And I got some eggs. So we're going to make some hobo sliders. That's what we got in the fridge. For this, we're going to use about 5 eggs, 5 pieces of sausage, and I don't know, like 2 handfuls of hash browns or tater tots, which I have in the air fryer. Preheat your oven. I've already preheated mine to 350. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you guys have like the brick or roll of sausage, you can use that too. It doesn't matter really. Bacon. A few strips of it left. I have a whole other pack, but I don't want to use it. I'm just going to cut it up. So my mom on her channel made a video making Tom Cruise coconut cake because we were all very excited to see the Mission Impossible movie. I had seen the Mission Impossible movie. That cake is a lot better than the movie. I'll try to do better today. Uno egg. 2 eggs. Three. 4. 5. And you guys are going to have to cut your Hawaiian rolls. I'm going to show you how to do it. Stir your eggs up. I'm adding my chaz. I got some pepper jack chaz. Because everybody loves pepper jack. And we also got his cousin, who is down for the weekend, a little Kobe Jack. Mix in that chaz. Now, a lot of people already know this. You can add some milk into your eggs and kind of loosen it up a little bit. I'm gonna pour my bacon on in. Next up, we have our hash browns or tater tots. That's good. And then we're just gonna smash them up too. Hawaiian rolls. Ah, deliciano. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. All right, I have my starter. And I'm just gonna try to slowly start wedging my way through. Bam. Almost. Baking dish. You kind of put it more than one side than the other. All right, in with our breakfast. And then we just patty it out. All right. Yeah, a little bit more cheese if you want to. I'm also going to add some pepper. On with the top. Now, you can put butter on top of this. Just make sure it stays cool. I'm going to put some foil on top of mine. And then put it in the oven. We're just going to want to let this get warm. Maybe about 10 minutes. We're not staying that long. It's like when you go over to your in-laws' house for the holidays and you just like want to get in and out. That's about it. Oh, yes. Perfection. I got a mini spatula. This morning we're going to use our ABC plate. So we're out the oven. Our delicious slider. Oh, breakfast slider. What? And now it's my turn to eat. There's the slider. Look at that. Oh, King's Hawaiian for the win. Y'all, this is something simple. This is something easy. Maybe 10 minutes of prep. And your kids are going to thoroughly enjoy this breakfast. You're going to be bringing this to the table. They're going to think, whoa, it's eat time. That's what my daughter's saying. We're going to go sit at the table. We're going to go pray. We're going to go eat. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you want more. Let me know if you try this. Let me know what you got in your kitchen fridge to throw into this. All right, y'all. Take it easy. God bless you. I love you. Keep it simple.